70,000 years ago, a star drifted silently past the edge of our solar system. It didn't explode, it didn't shine, but if it had passed just a little bit closer, the Earth you know might have never existed. A red dwarf, followed by a ghostly brown companion, cutting through space at 83 kilometers per second. And no one knew it had ever come, until 2015. This is the story of Scholz's star, the quiet visitor that nearly ended everything. Its name is Scholz's star. A faint red dwarf, barely detectable by most telescopes. It's about 86 times the mass of Jupiter, small for a star, but still 8% the mass of our sun. And it wasn't alone. Trailing behind it was a brown dwarf, a failed star, cold and silent, orbiting Scholz's star like a ghostly shadow. Together they formed a binary system, drifting through the galaxy for billions of years, until one day they came dangerously close to us. In 2015, astronomers discovered something strange. Based on its velocity, Scholz's star must have passed near our solar system only 70,000 years ago. In cosmic time, that's yesterday. And in cosmic distance, it was terrifyingly close. Back then, humans hadn't yet painted on cave walls. Woolly mammoths still roamed across frozen plains. And above them, in the sky, Scholz's star made its closest approach. It passed through the outer edge of our solar system, the Oort Cloud, a vast halo of icy objects billions of kilometers from the sun. The star never came near Earth, but its gravity stirred the deep space around us. Like a hand brushing past a spider's web, it sent comets drifting inward. Some of those icy bodies may have taken thousands of years to reach the inner solar system. Maybe one of them even struck Earth. We'll never know for sure, but we do know this. Scholz's star came closer than 98% of all known stars in the galaxy. What if it had come just a bit closer? Scholz's star may have looked small, but it carried enough mass to shake the solar system. A near pass could distort planetary orbits, pulling some inward, pushing others out. Mars could have collided with Earth. Jupiter might have thrown Saturn into a chaotic spiral. Even without a direct impact, the gravitational chaos could have ejected Earth from the sun's orbit, turning our planet into a frozen, drifting world. The moon, it may have been pulled away or sent crashing into us. And our sun, normally calm and central, would have become just another light in a torn-apart sky. A single star, quietly passing by, could have ended 4 billion years of balance. For most of human history, we never knew it came. Scholz's star wasn't discovered until 2015, 70,000 years after its close pass. Astronomers traced its motion backward and realized it passed just 0.8 light-years from Earth. That may sound far, but it placed the star within the Oort Cloud, the icy boundary of our solar system. And here's the frightening part. Its passage likely disturbed thousands of comets. Some are still falling toward the inner solar system, even now. Scholz's star was a warning shot. Because there are more stars out there, drifting, dark, untracked. Our telescopes grow sharper each year, but the cosmos is vast and silent. And not every visitor makes noise when it comes. Now imagine this. Another star, smaller, darker, and faster, on a collision course with our solar system. We detect it with just decades to spare. No explosion, no light, just gravity, tearing at the edges of the Oort Cloud. Thousands of comets shaken loose, a cascade of icy missiles raining toward Earth's orbit. Some would miss, but not all. We scramble telescopes, build defenses, simulate impacts, and still, all we can do is wait. One rogue star could undo 1 billion years of evolution. Because in the dark between the stars, it doesn't take a supernova to end a world. Scholz's star came and went. No one saw it. No one felt it. No records, no legends, only the silent marks it left behind. It brushed the edge of our solar system, disturbed a cloud of ancient ice, and vanished back into the dark. Maybe one of those icy objects is still falling toward Earth right now, a journey that began 70,000 years ago. It's strange, isn't it? How something so far away, so quiet, could shape our fate without us ever knowing. But Scholz's star was just one traveler. Our galaxy is full of wanderers, and not all of them will miss. Already, astronomers have tracked other stars heading our way. And when one finally comes close enough, it won't just brush past the Oort Cloud. It could rip through our solar system, hurling comets at Earth, warping planetary orbits, even ejecting us into deep space. Short pause. In the quiet of space, time moves slowly, but danger is always moving. So if you want to know what's really out there and what might already be coming, subscribe to Dark Space, because the universe doesn't knock, it just arrives.